Hello, and a warm welcome to today's engaging discussion on 5 ways to accelerate your tech career. In a world where technology is ever evolving, the tech industry is a dynamic and exciting place to build your career. Regardless of whether you have your sights set on becoming a future chief technology officer, CTO, or are simply eager to advance your position in the tech world, we're here to provide you with valuable insights that will propel you forward on your career journey. The ever-changing tech landscape. In this digital age, the tech industry serves as the backbone of innovation, constantly reshaping the way we live and work. From artificial intelligence and cloud computing to blockchain and cybersecurity, new technologies emerge at a breathtaking pace. To excel in this environment, you must not only keep up, but also stay ahead of the curve. This discussion is your guide to doing just that, accelerating your tech career. Now, let's talk about what we mean by accelerating your tech career. It's not about rushing through your professional journey. Instead, it's about being proactive and strategic in your approach. It's about seizing opportunities, gaining new skills, and positioning yourself for success in a competitive and ever-evolving industry. Remember, the tech world is a place of boundless opportunities for those willing to invest in their growth and seize the possibilities it offers. Let's embark on this journey together to accelerate your tech career. Step 1. Continuous learning. The tech industry is all about innovation, and staying up to date with the latest technologies and trends is crucial. So, our first tip is continuous learning. Don't just rely on your formal education. Invest time in online courses, workshops, and conferences to expand your skill set. The more you learn, the more valuable you become to your employer. Don't just focus on your current role. Think about where you want to be in the future. In the fast-paced world of technology, the only constant is change. To excel in your tech career, you must embrace the concept of continuous learning. Here's a more detailed look at why it's essential and how you can go about it. Tech professionals must keep a vigilant eye on industry trends. Subscribe to industry publications, blogs, and podcasts. Follow tech news and thought leaders on social media. Participate in online forums and communities dedicated to your area of interest. Staying informed about the latest developments will help you anticipate changes and adapt proactively. To make continuous learning effective, set clear learning goals. Define what you want to achieve and outline a plan to get there. Break your goals into smaller, manageable milestones. Whether it's mastering a new programming language, understanding artificial intelligence, or becoming proficient in cloud computing, having specific objectives will keep you motivated and on track. Step 2. Networking. Building a strong professional network can open doors you never thought possible. Attend industry events, join tech communities, and connect with professionals on platforms like LinkedIn. Networking not only helps you stay informed, but can also lead to exciting career opportunities. Your network can be your greatest asset. It can provide mentorship, job referrals, and collaborative opportunities that can fast-track your career. Networking is a crucial element in accelerating your tech career. It involves building and nurturing professional relationships within the tech industry and beyond. Effective networking can open doors to job opportunities, collaboration, mentorship, and knowledge sharing. Here's a more detailed look at the importance of networking and how you can make it work for you. Building a professional network means connecting with people in your industry or related fields who can support your career goals. This network can include colleagues, peers, mentors, industry leaders, recruiters, and even friends and acquaintances who share your professional interests. Step 3. Side startup. Sometimes, the best way to accelerate your career is by starting your own side tech venture. A side startup, whether it's developing your own app, contributing to open source projects, or starting a blog or YouTube channel. These projects showcase your skills and passion for technology. Not only can a side startup be a source of nice side income, but it also demonstrates your entrepreneurial spirit and innovation to potential employers. Engaging in side startups is a valuable strategy for accelerating your tech career. These are independent tech initiatives or ventures related to your field that you pursue outside of your regular job. Here's a closer look at why side startups matter and how they can help you advance in your tech career. While side startups can certainly accelerate your tech career and provide a nice side income, they also offer personal fulfillment. They allow you to pursue your passions, express your creativity, and make a positive impact on the tech community and the world at large. Step 4. Soft skills development. In the tech world, technical skills are essential, but soft skills can make you stand out. Communication, leadership, problem solving, and teamwork are highly valued. Invest time in honing these skills to become a well-rounded professional. Soft skills are the glue that holds tech teams together. They can make the difference between being a good engineer and an outstanding one. In the tech world, technical proficiency is essential, but soft skills are equally critical for career acceleration. Soft skills, often referred to as interpersonal or people skills, encompass a range of attributes that enable effective communication, collaboration, and problem-solving in a professional setting. Enhancing your soft skills not only accelerates your tech career, but also enriches your personal and professional life. These skills can improve your relationships, boost your overall job satisfaction, and make you a more well-rounded individual. Soft skills are a critical component of career acceleration in the tech industry. They complement your technical expertise and enable you to work effectively with others, solve complex problems, and lead teams. By actively working on your soft skills and integrating them into your professional life, you can position yourself as a standout tech professional who is not only proficient in technology but also adept in interpersonal interactions and leadership. Step 5. Embrace challenges. Lastly, embrace challenges and step out of your comfort zone. Don't be afraid to take on tasks that stretch your abilities. These challenges can be significant learning opportunities and can lead to career advancements. When you face challenges head-on, you not only grow professionally but also gain the confidence to take on more responsibilities in your tech career. Embracing challenges is a pivotal strategy for accelerating your tech career. In the dynamic and rapidly evolving tech industry, your ability to confront and overcome challenges can set you apart as a resilient and innovative professional. Here's a deeper dive into why embracing challenges is crucial and how it can propel your tech career forward. Embracing challenges doesn't just accelerate your tech career, it fosters personal growth and resilience. These benefits can extend to other aspects of your life, including your relationships, health, and overall well-being. Overcoming challenges can build character and equip you with valuable life skills. Embracing challenges is a vital strategy for achieving success and advancing in your tech career. Challenges are not roadblocks but stepping stones to personal and professional growth. By adopting a positive mindset, setting clear goals, and consistently seeking out and confronting challenges, you can position yourself as a determined and adaptable tech professional, ready to thrive in a dynamic industry where change and innovation are the norm. Conclusion: to sum it up, these 5 strategies, continuous learning, networking, side startup, soft skills development, and embracing challenges, can help you accelerate your tech career, regardless of whether you're aiming to be a future CTO or a high earner. Remember, the tech industry is full of opportunities for those who are proactive and dedicated to their growth. That's it for today's discussion. We'd like to extend our sincere thanks to our experts for sharing their valuable insights. We hope that you found these tips on accelerating your tech career both informative and inspiring. Remember, the journey to success in the tech industry is an exciting and dynamic one. Stay motivated, continue to learn, network, work on side startups, develop your soft skills, and, most importantly, embrace challenges. These strategies will undoubtedly help you on your path to career acceleration. Keep striving for success, and your aspirations in the tech world will become a reality. Thank you for joining us, and we wish you all the best in your tech career journey.